You've gone into business and you've developed a name for your business and a way of doing things, and you want to make sure that you protect that name and way of doing things, so you want to do something like a trademark. Hello, I'm Robert Todd, and I'm here to answer the question, how to register a trademark? Well, probably the first place to start is the website for the United States Patent and Trademark Office. This is a website that basically defines the difference between a trademark from a copyright from a patent. And if you can understand the terminology on that website, it will also take you through the step-by-step process of registering a specific trademark. Now, if after studying this website and going through the terminology and the process and procedure, you don't really understand some of the terminology or the process or procedure, it's more than worth your while to seek the services of a lawyer that specializes in patents and trademarks. These are individuals that deal with this on a day-to-day basis and know what they're doing and will ensure that your particular business trademark is registered properly so that no one else can infringe on that name or process. I'm Robert Todd, and thank you for watching.